Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How to University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create an album cover for your next single. So what you want to do is you want to go to canva.com and in the search bar, type in album cover. Of course, Canva is going to generate a ton of album covers for you, and what's really cool about this is that you can completely take the design and start fresh, or you could take one that you really like and, let's say, create one that you want. So for an example, I'm going to look for something that's going to stand out for my type of music, so let's go ahead and do this one here. So as you click on this, there's going to be a ton of other album covers that you might want to go through and say, okay, maybe I like this one a little bit more. So for an example, for me, I like lo-fi music. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one because it looks like it's a little bit more of my style, and I'm going to click on it. So what we're going to do is next is, now that you have the album cover, all you have to do is click on the items that you want to change. So we're going to change this to How to University. And then the next one, lo-fi. And we're going to just change this here. I like the font that's already here. The how-to album, right? So now that you have this here, you can see that there are a little bit of designs that you cannot change, but if you wanted to add to this, all you had to do is go into elements and say smoke, and now go to graphics right here at the top left, see all, and you can see that there's going to be a ton of other effects that you can add to this design. Now if you right click, copy that design that's in that purple box, you can paste it, and now you can add a little bit more of effects to this album cover. And let's say you wanted to add a little bit more of effects there, you can go ahead and grab those and again do that same image there. We're gonna go ahead and drag that down. Now you've kind of created your own album cover for that lo-fi music. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.